Guys, hello and welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to another review. This one's going to be a very quick one. I just wanted to show you guys the smallrig crab-shaped super clamp, they call it, kit. So this is provided by smallrig. I do have a lot of stuff from smallrig. I've got a cage, sorry, 2 cages for my cameras, lights and all that kind of things. So yeah, as a company, I really like what they're doing, where they're going with it. So let me quickly show you what this is all about. So the smallrig super clamp is a crab-shaped super clamp kit, it's called, and it comes with a magic arm. So once I ordered this maybe last week. So it arrived, and inside, obviously, you got the clamp itself. You've got the attachment with a 3/4 inch screw there to go on it. So that's that. Like on the little case. Go back. Now, so the clamp itself, material-wise, it's all made out of metal. It feels very solid, very weighty. Clamp itself, super strong. My only caveat, let's say, is nothing wrong with it. It's just that it's a little bit small, the opening for what I needed to do. And it doesn't feel as secure as it should. But if it goes around a tube or a pipe and you were to secure that in, that thing is moving anywhere at all. The tightness of it is super tight. It can be really, really tight. You can how much it doesn't give. They have the 2 little points here, the little clamps. And then the arm itself, the magic arm, if you loosen this part over here, it will allow for that part to come out. Let me see, stay in focus maybe a little bit. There we go. So it will loosen up, it will extend, and then by tightening this one again, and now the arm itself is locked on that part, on that chain, on that ball chain here, ball joint, sorry, and then the ball joint here as well is solid as well. If you wanted to adjust it, you would have to undo this part ever so slightly, then adjust it where you want it to be. And then retighten. And that will be it. Nice and solid, nice and sturdy. Overall quality of the product is a 10 out of 10 for me. Super good. If you're thinking of getting one, definitely go ahead and do it. It's just, unfortunately, as much as I liked it, I couldn't use it for the purposes I needed it. So hence how we're going to be returning the item as it is. But overall, as a product, maybe not for me for this occasion, but if anybody's on the market to buy one of those, definitely choose that over anything else really in the market. Yeah, guys, that's it. Thank you very much. I'll be putting a link for a future video and a playlist on the end of this video. And then, guys, till the next time, take care.